It's the Star Wars Remote Control BB-8 from Hasbro. Now you can control BB-8, the new astromech droid from Star Wars The Force Awakens. Innovative technology allows the remote control BB-8 to roll while his head remains on top, just like the real BB-8 from the movie. Using the remote control, kids can move BB-8 in 5 different directions, allowing for maximum fun and maneuverability. The remote control BB-8 also emits a variety of movie-authentic droid sound effects. With BB-8 by your side, you can be ready for all kinds of exciting intergalactic adventures. The Star Wars Remote Control BB-8 is for ages 4 and up and comes with remote control. It's the Star Wars Remote Control BB-8 from Hasbro.